Hi, I'm Monica. Welcome to my Caravan cooking series in association with Bailey of Bristol. We're in this beautiful Bailey of Bristol Unicorn Barcelona, which is just stunning. Fabulous kitchen, lots and lots of space. I'm going to be doing some comfort food, a set of 6 recipes, all cooked in this gorgeous, comfortable caravan. We are going to make a chicken tikka masala because it's everybody's favourite. I've marinated the chicken, and that's just in natural yogurt with ginger, garlic, paprika and cumin, and I marinated it. That's been sitting in a nice marinade for nearly 24 hours. Doesn't necessarily need that long, but the longer that you can marinate it, the better. When you cook with Greek yogurt, it produces too much liquid, so just use Yo Valley pot of yogurt. I'm going to spoon out my pieces of chicken. I don't want too much of the excess liquid, try and leave that behind. I'm going to add some crushed garlic and some ginger. And then in here I've got garam masala, paprika, cumin and turmeric. And that's all going in. Look at that. It's lovely. Okay, so now the chicken has been gently cooking for about 5 or 6 minutes. It's pretty much cooked through, and I'm just going to add some chopped tomatoes. I'm not going to do the whole tin because I don't want too much liquid. The smell is just absolutely gorgeous. Just bring it up to a nice heat, and then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Oh gosh. And now I'm just going to put, this is just chopped fresh coriander. And there we go, that is your chicken tikka masala. Just need some, pop it on some pilau rice.